What's up, Toronto? Welcome to Good Bites Takeout. I'm Mahi, aka Toronto Foodie, and this is the show where I grab and showcase some delicious takeout eats in the city. Now today I'm outside of the city in the Vaughan area checking out a Turkish restaurant called Mama Fatma located at 10385 Weston Road. Now here they do authentic Turkish cuisine like kebabs, meats, rice, and something they called Pide, which is almost like a Turkish-style pizza that they put in a wood oven. I'm so excited to show you guys, so let's go and grab this order.
We serve Beyti Kebab, Kebab. Also, we serve the most popular one, which is with Kebab Combo 4 It has everything like veal shish, chicken shish, and chicken wings, lamb chops, Adana kebab, rice, bulgur, also shawarmas as well. We have almost 18 different pides. The most popular one, the lahmacun, it's like a Turkish pizza. Also we have the mixed pide as well. It comes with cheese, sucuk, which is like a Turkish pepperoni. Ground beef also, it's optional, but most of the customer wants to add it.
Can you explain a little bit about that? What is it, the Beyti? Am I saying that right?
Yes, Beyti Kebab. Well, we wrap the Adana kebab and then we toast it on the grill. On the bottom of the platter, we put the garlic yogurt. We chop it like in small slices. We put it on the top butter with some toppings.
Now this is their mixed kebab combo. This has lamb kebab, beef shish kebab, chicken souvlaki, chicken wings, lamb chops, chicken and beef doner, rice, salad, and peppers. Now this is like the perfect meal for two. I mean, I feel like this could even be for three people because it is massive. One thing I love about kebabs is that they're so flavorful, and if you don't know, basically kebabs are ground meat mixed with a bunch of spices and herbs like garlic and onion, so it's jam-packed with flavor. You gotta get some of this rice too. The rice itself is so flavorful. I mean, I could literally eat this rice on its own. You cannot go wrong with a good chicken wing. Here is some chicken souvlaki. This is a meat lover's dream. Like, I am living my best life right now. Oh, and this platter comes with 2 huge lamb chops. That is so tender and so flavorful. The amount of like spices in this dish is insane. Now that was a meal, but I'm about to show you a Turkish style pizza called Pide. Now this traditionally comes with beef as well as mozzarella and what they call sucuk, which is very similar to a pepperoni or salami. This is bomb. You can really taste all of the spices like the parsley and the garlic. Think of this as like a flatbread pizza, but filled with more flavor. Sorry, Italy, but this is coming for your throne. Now the next one is a very traditional Turkish dish that's called Beyti Kebab, and basically what it is a kebab skewer that is wrapped around this thin flatbread, grilled, cut into pieces, doused with butter that's mixed in with paprika, and then it sits on top of a bed of yogurt and tomato sauce. This looks so good. You can taste that butter. It's soaked into the bread and the meat, and with that yogurt, it gives it a nice balance. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you want to try out this amazing Turkish food, hit up Mama Fatma. You can order online through their website. You can call in, walk in, and of course order on Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, and DoorDash. This place is phenomenal, so good, so please hit them up. That's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week for some more delicious foods around the city to grab to go. Bye guys.